Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Invest today. I'm here to show you how to make money in your own way, like in easiest way. And it's, the thing is, it's not that much easy, but it's somehow easy too. Because I think today I went to YouTube to search for something, and I've seen I just type how, and I saw that most of the guys are searching for how to make money online, how to make money online. So I found this website last week ago. So I'm now on it. I'm now doing it, but I think this app or this website is really working. So I have this app on my phone or this website on my phone. So I'm here to show you how to do this. So guys, we will search for miner USDT and just search for miner USDT. I will leave the link in my description below so you can search for miner USDT and click go. Okay, so once you get here, you scroll and if you see this one, okay, so this is the website miner USDT. You will tap on it. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, guys, I think I already have an account here. So, those of you who don't have an account, you will just tap on sign up. Then, here, the first one, you enter your email address, then your password, login password, security password. You can use the same login password. Then, this is my always use my invitation code. So, guys, once you are done, you just tap on sign up, then boom, you are good to go. So, as for me, I have an account already, so let me log in for you guys to see. Okay, so let me just log in for you guys to see. Okay, okay, so guys, when you log in, this is how it looks like. I already have 1.7 50000 USDT in my account. So here this one is in USDT and I think their minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. Okay, so here's it. This is their minimum withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. And you can also do deposit as well. When you tap on the deposit, here you will use Binance to buy it. Yeah, I think Binance is the best option for me to tell you. You can use Binance to deposit money in your account. And the more you are having money in your account, the more I think the more you have money in your account, the more the income. So if you don't have money in your account too, every day they will give you 0.25 USDT. So if you want to claim your USDT, you will come here, you will tap on the pool. Okay, so this is what I've been earning since I created this. So as you can see, receive. Yeah, so today I'm even here to receive one. So I'll tap on it. Okay, so confirm. So guys, it's receiving. You see, it has now ranked to USDT. Guys, I will leave the link in my description below. You can just tap on the link and it will take you here. Then you will sign up everything. Then you will do it and see whether it will. But make sure you deposit money in your account so that you can get more and more and more money. Because the more you have money in your account, the more income that you get. Okay, so guys, I think this is good for today. Peace out.